You don't
System and
misinterchange the word.
structure
Sometimes we
difference.
misinterchange the word in communication or in giving statistical order in the context of our country development. But as a good art student, it is expedient that you get this thing in their contextual order. When communicating, you should communicate it in a distinguishing format. First, when we talk about structure, we have three main structure. We have three main structure in government. We have three main structure in government. And what are the structure? The first structure is the federal structure. The federal structure is a structure that share power from one unit to another. The federal, now Nigeria adopted this structure in our constitution, that Nigeria adopted this structure, and Nigeria adopted because Nigeria was designed as Nigeria was adopted as a federal structure with various units in government. Why? It is because of the various ethnic groups that we have in the country. So it is the federal structure that best unify us into one identity. That was why it was used. So the federal structure is a structure that shares governmental power from one unit to another. The second of which is the confederal structure. The confederal structure. What is the confederal structure? The confederal structure is that kind of structure that have a weak central. The components state are more stronger than the central. It's just like in a case like Nigeria, for instance, Kaduna, KB, Yobe, all other states are more stronger than Abuja. That is in a confederal setting. In a confederal setting, you get. So Abuja now will now be relying on those other smaller component states. That is that for a confederal structure. While the unitary structure is a structure which we position all power to be concentrated into the hand of a central unit. Now, the best construct which use this unitary system is mostly this superpower country for these motherland countries. Like when we talk of France, like when we talk of Britain, you get with this